Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my October empties. And before we get started, I have a clip to insert here of the things I finished in Vegas. Hey y'all, hey, it's our last day in Vegas, so I'm gonna show you my empties so that I don't have to take them home. So I've used 2 of my Timeless 20% vitamin C plus ferulic acid serum packets. These are so great for travel. So glad I found these. And then I finished up one of my travel size versions of the First Aid Beauty Anti-Chafe Stick. I live and die by this. This is my favorite single item I think I own. So love that. And then I also finished up a travel size of the Lumi Whole Body Deodorant. This one's in Clean Tangerine, which is I think my favorite scent from them. And it's a solid travel deodorant. No deodorant really works for an extended period of time on me, but this one's pretty good. I will say though, I do not like the sweat control one. I'm finishing it up, but not fond of that one. So yeah, that's my empties for this trip, and back to the regularly scheduled empties video. Now let's get into the rest of my empties for the month. So I've got a lot here. I finished the Pacifica Kale Detox Deep Cleansing Face Wash. I think all the Pacifica face washes are really good, really effective face washes, so I definitely use this again. From Drunk Elephant, I finished the Sealy Body Lotion. This one is the one with the marula butter and the 5-ceramide blend. And I used this one during the day, so I went through this one a little faster because I tend to shower a little more during the day than the evening. The one that has like a more potent active, I use that one more in the evening. And I really liked this. I'd absolutely buy it again. I thought it was a great lotion. Then I finished up one of my all-time faves. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. That name is entirely too long. This is my daytime moisturizer. I love it. I've got backups in my cabinet already, and I will continue to use it. It's a great moisturizer for day because it's got like these little illuminating things. They don't look like shimmer on the face. It just kind of illuminates the face and it looks great. And it's also a good base if you're gonna put on makeup. So love this stuff. I finished the Verb Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask. I really like Verb hair products. My hair seems to really agree with them, and I would absolutely use this mask again. It made my hair feel silky soft and just amazing. Another one of my all-time faves. This is the Resist Normal to Dry Polish Choice Skin Restoring Moisturizer in Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Another item that I have backups of already that I will continue to repurchase over and over again. It is just my all-time favorite face moisturizer with SPF. So get your hands on this. This is just the month of finishing favorites. This is my favorite toothpaste. It's the Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. And I mention this every time. I don't love the packaging. This plastic's too thick. I know there's more product in there and I just can't get it out. Otherwise, love the product, and it's a great toothpaste. Now this is something I did love, but it seems to not be working with me anymore. This is the Pacifica Coconut Clean Deodorant. And the past few times I've used this, it made me smell terrible. Something in here is not working with my body chemistry and it's making me smell really horrible. So I'm retiring this for now. I may come back and try it again in the future sometime, but as of right now, this is being retired because it had to be something that changed in me, I guess, my body chemistry, but it's just not working for me anymore. I switched out one of my Athena Club razors. I really like that these are now available in store, so I don't have to like be a part of a subscription anymore. Although I forgot to skip the subscription several times, so I have so many of these in my my vanity in my bathroom, but I do really like this razor. I finished a Lush bath bomb. Which one? I have no idea because I didn't write the name down, but it was nice. I have 2 little mini fragrances I finished. This is the Clean Reserve Rain, which smells nice, but it's just not me, so it's not one I'd repurchase. And then the Clean Reserve Aqua Neroli, which I gotta think about. I did like this a lot. I think it might smell a little too similar to one of the other fragrances I already own, but it is really nice. Next, I have a lotion. This was in my travel items. This is the Seaweed Bath Co. Firming Detox Cream, and this is a great lotion for on the road. I don't know that I'm going to repurchase it because I kind of just take my travel stuff as I get it as freebies and whatnot, but this is a nice one. I've had the Seaweed Bath Co. Coffee products in several different forms. The exfoliating soap or the lotion. I think there might have been a body wash. Maybe I'm making that up. And they're all very nice. I just don't know that I'd seek them out to repurchase any of them. And then the last two items here are 2 packs of my Hydrogel Eye Therapy eye masks from Evio Skin. These have been a lifesaver, especially post-travel, because I was tired for several days. So these kept me awake on my Zoom calls for work. And, well, they kept me looking awake for my Zoom calls from work, and love these. I have a new like little cosmetics refrigerator thing, which I thought they were so excessive for the longest time, but I swear to you, now that like my sleep schedule is completely just royally fucked from travel on top of being caregivers, like that little fridge is saving my life. I've got all the little roller ball things in there and I'm using them every day and I love it. So have to highly recommend the fridge. I guess I'll link the fridge down below too if you're interested. But yeah, these I keep in the fridge and they're just amazing. So that is all my empties for the month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!